Number 1. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $9,500, with only 123,000 original miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, making it a solid choice for both work and everyday use. The exterior is finished in a deep burgundy color, complemented by a matching burgundy interior, adding to its classic and timeless appeal. Several recent upgrades have been made to enhance its performance and longevity, including a brand new muffler system, new brake lines, a new Class 2 hitch, and a newly installed rear bumper. In addition, the air conditioning system was replaced in 2023, ensuring comfort during warmer months. While there is minor rust on the right rocker panel, the overall condition of the truck remains strong. Number 2. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, with 86,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a brown exterior with a matching brown interior. Powered by a 5.0L V8 305 engine, this truck runs on gasoline and is in great driving condition. Recent maintenance includes a new distributor cap and rotor, new spark plugs and spark plug wires, new valve cover gaskets, a new engine air filter, a new oil cap, as well as a fresh transmission fluid and filter replacement. Additionally, a full lube oil and filter change has been performed to ensure optimal performance. The previous owner also invested in some essential repairs, including new brake lines all around and suspension work. With a solid frame and a clean title, this Chevrolet 1500 is road-ready and offers reliability for its next owner. Number 3. 1996 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500, equipped with a newer 350 V8 fuel-injected engine with approximately 50,000 miles. It features a rebuilt 4L80E heavy-duty automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and powerful performance. This truck is turnkey ready for work, with minimal rust for its age and a solid, straight chassis. The full-size 8-foot bed is free of rust or holes, providing durability and practicality. Inside, the gray interior is in excellent condition, with no rips in the seats. It comes with power windows and power locks for convenience, along with an aftermarket Sony stereo for entertainment. Additionally, a weather guard toolbox with keys and a back rack are included. The truck sits on all-terrain tires and has undergone significant maintenance, including new brake lines, new fuel lines, a new fuel pump, a new starter, and a new alternator, among many other updated components. It has a clean Illinois title, and buyers are welcome to bring their mechanic for inspection. Number 4. 1983 Dodge D150, price $4,500. Though not perfect, it remains in good condition and has the potential to be a great driver. This two-wheel drive truck is powered by a factory 318 V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and features an automatic transmission. It comes equipped with cruise control, air conditioning, a tilt steering wheel, and power windows, enhancing both comfort and convenience. The exterior and interior are both red, maintaining its original classic appeal. Several important components have been recently replaced, including the radiator, water pump, fuel pump, and alternator. The truck runs and drives well, with the transmission having been rebuilt at 95,000 miles. The current mileage stands at 114,000. As a Texas truck, it remains in very solid condition and still retains its original build sheet. While there are some dents and scratches, and the windshield is cracked and needs replacement, this Dodge D150 remains a great candidate for a reliable classic driver. Number 5. 1990 Dodge D150, price $3,500. It has traveled 141,000 miles and features a manual transmission. It sports a sleek black exterior with a striking red interior and runs on gasoline. Equipped with a 3.9L V6 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, this truck has spent most of its life in Oklahoma. While it does have some rusted spots, as shown in the pictures, it remains structurally solid overall. It runs and drives excellently, with recent maintenance including new brake lines, motor mounts, belts, a starter, a water pump, and a full tune-up. Additionally, it comes with a topper and an extra set of tires. Number 6. 1987 Chevrolet C10, price $3,500. Fully restored and upgraded, this classic truck boasts a brand new engine, transmission, and a fresh, high-quality paint job, making it look and perform like new. Every detail has been carefully attended to, ensuring both reliability and head-turning appeal. With a sleek black exterior complemented by a matching black interior, this C10 exudes power, sophistication, and timeless style. Its automatic transmission provides a smooth yet responsive ride, while the gasoline-powered engine delivers the strength and performance expected from a true American classic. Whether cruising through city streets or roaring down the open road, this beautifully restored C10 is built to impress. Number 7. 1978 Ford F150, price $8,000, features an automatic transmission, a black exterior, and a black leather upholstered interior. It runs on gasoline and had its engine rebuilt about 5,000 miles ago, though no records are available as the work was done by a local mechanic. Cosmetic upgrades include leather on the seats, ceiling, and door panels, along with a new dashboard. While the truck is reliable, there are some issues. The differential has damage but doesn't affect drivability, there's a minor transmission fluid leak that hasn't caused major problems, and there is untreated rust underneath. Its main strengths are its dependable engine and new carburetor, ensuring it starts easily even in cold conditions. Despite some flaws, it remains a solid classic truck with a well-maintained interior. Number 8. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,250. It has 100,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. Both the exterior and interior are red, giving it a bold and classic look. This truck runs on gasoline and has been significantly upgraded. It has been lifted a total of 9 inches, combining a 6-inch Pro-Comp suspension lift with a body lift. Under the hood, it boasts a newly installed Summit 354-bolt main motor, complete with documentation. The engine is equipped with a 4-barrel Holley carburetor for improved performance. It sits on Toyo MT tires, which still have good tread left. Additionally, the truck has a new gas tank, a new mechanical fuel pump, and a new battery, which is connected to a kill switch for added security. A spare tire and wheel are included. Like many older Chevy trucks, it has some typical rust. The passenger window is currently non-functional. Number 9. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,900. The truck is in excellent condition. Originally purchased new, it has been carefully maintained and kept in a closed garage throughout its life. Recently, the truck received a fresh paint job, enhancing its well-preserved appearance. It features an automatic transmission and runs great, providing reliable performance. The exterior and interior are both tan, complementing its classic style. With 249,000 miles on the odometer, it continues to be a dependable vehicle. Additionally, it comes with a bedliner for added durability. Included with the truck are brand new taillights, still in the box, intended to replace the slightly cloudy ones currently installed. Number 10. 1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,900. It has traveled 286,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. Its exterior is finished in white, while the interior boasts a gold color scheme. This gasoline-powered truck is equipped with a powerful HD engine oil cooler and a heavy-duty 600cc battery, ensuring reliable performance for any journey. Designed for a smooth and stable ride, this rear-wheel drive truck is supported by an independent front suspension with coil springs. Inside, it offers both comfort and convenience, featuring color-keyed full-floor carpeting, vinyl door trim panels with integrated map pockets, and dual color-keyed padded cloth sunshades. For added assurance, a Carfax report is available, providing transparency and peace of mind.